cracking? Here's some progress on the Dodge Challenger build. Alright, so here it is. It's in the paint booth, ready to get painted. Everything's painted, sitting outside curing. Super good. Here's the Hellcat front bumper. All that I have to do now on the outside is put it back together. Ready to go. The inside still needs the airbag and the dash, which I have, and I'll walk you guys through that when we get to it. What's cracking? So today on Big Builds, we're working on a 2017 Dodge Challenger. I got all the body work done, the front end put on. It's a Hellcat front end. Got the hood put on. Everything outside is done. Runs and drives perfect. Let me show you. Alright, so now all that's left is the dash inside and the seat belts. So I have to pull the whole dash out because the airbag blew and it doesn't have the little section just for the airbag to blow out. So you have to replace the whole dash just to replace that one airbag and the dash. So I have to replace the dash and the seat belts. So I pulled the seat belts out. I sent them to a company called Safety Restore. They totally redo everything, send them back, plug it in. And I also have to send out the airbag module and they reset that. So let me show you what I got. So this is the new dash that I got. Bought this brand new. Got it on sale for $800 from a company that was having a sale, which I thought was a pretty good deal. So I don't think it's going to be too hard. I can see the bolts. I think what might be hard is when I get back up into there trying to get those bolts out. So we'll just take it one bolt at a time. Get this out of there. Show you what I got over here in the car. So as you can see, the dash is blown. So I don't think I have to pull all of this center console, but I don't know. We'll see when we get into it. I know I have to take this whole face off, and I don't know if those vents pop out. I think those are built in, maybe. I have to take this off. So it's gonna be a little bit of work. Take this button out. I know I don't have to take the steering wheel out, but like I said, getting back into here, you can see this is a cover. Like getting back to those bolts back there is probably going to be a mega pain. And then as you can see, the seat belts, when you get into an accident, they lock up. So these locked up. I got to take these out, send these in, along with the airbag control module to get all that reset. So just hang tight. I'll show you the process. All right, so you can see some of my progress here. It's not too bad, but I'm at a kind of a standstill because of one little screw. It's always one little screw. So you can see here, I got everything pulled out. Right, got the whole dash. Everything's ready to come out. Everything's loose. And you can see right in there, maybe you can, maybe you can't. There's one little screw. See it? Facing the dash. Now, how the heck are you supposed to get that out of there? And that's the only thing holding it on this side. And it's got these little clips in here that you just kind of push with your hands and pop back. It's pretty easy to get off, but that right there is just holding the whole process up. So I'm gonna try to figure that out. Holy crap. It was easy at first. It got really not easy towards the end. This one wire right here goes all the way up to that sensor up front. That was holding it. And then there was these vents right here. You have to loosen those so those pop out with the dash, which isn't a big deal. But this center console, man, like I didn't want to take it all the way out and I was trying not to. It would not let go of the dash. I had to break the dash. You can see I still can't even get it all the way out. The rest of the dash came out except for this piece. Look at it, it is in there. And of course in my neighborhood there's 8 million dogs they leave outside to bark all day. So, you know, it's just a pleasure to work out here while dogs are barking in your face. But this is the last and final piece right here. Wow, that was a mission. So there it is. I kept going back and referencing the stock or the aftermarket dash that I bought to see where the points were that it mounted, but I hope I didn't break this. But yeah, I mean, I had to separate it from here. It's kind of just up and loose. I don't think I broke it. It'll snap back together, but the other piece goes down in there, and there's these two little tabs down in there that just kept like holding it and holding it, holding it. Oh my goodness, it was a nightmare. So that's it, it's out. Whew. That was a mission. And I guess, I don't know if this stuff has to, I don't think that stuff has to go in there before I put it back in, but I know these vents right here do. These upper vents. I have to take those out and transfer those over. And then I have to replace that airbag on the other one. And yeah, this goes right back in here too. I don't think this has to be in there. This goes like this. And look at this. So they put screws right here for this on the inside. So you have to reach your hand in there with a little wrench and get that out. It's pretty insane, but I guess whatever, as long as it works. All right, but that's it. I got it out. Kind of scratched up my steering wheel a little bit trying to pull it out there, but hopefully the one going back in won't be as tough. But I do foresee this being a pain. I might have to remove the center console. I think the airbag control module is in here anyway, so I might have to pull this center console out anyways. I was trying to avoid it, but I haven't seen the airbag control module yet, so I'm assuming it's under here somewhere because I don't see it down in there. So that's it for this video. It's getting dark on me. Stay tuned for the progress of the dash. I haven't seen a dash pulled out of this new of a Dodge Challenger online anywhere, so there wasn't really nothing for me to reference, you know what I mean? So hopefully this will help some of you guys out. If not, it's something cool to check out. Dodge Challenger with the dash pulled out. If you like my videos, hit the subscribe button, like them, leave comments below, and let's build some dope cars. Thanks for watching.